Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing another slime review video, and if you haven't noticed, I'm in a different theme. That's because I got a new room. So this slime is a peachy slime. I named it Peachsicle, like popsicle Peachsicle, and it has a really nice color to it. And I made it out of some clay over here. And the clay at first is really tough. So I give you guys an example of the green, but it works very good in slime. So get a lot of, there we go. So here's the clay. It's not really like, it can stretch kinda. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this out. And then just, I'm gonna mix them. It's gonna be around a brown, or maybe just turning green. And this clay, actually this, it's called Easy Shape Model Clay. And I just got this from the dollar store. It was $3. So if you want to make some butter slime and you don't know where to find some clay other than Model Magic or Daisoft, that is a good clay to use. But at first it's kind of hard and it gets a little chunky. But whenever you mix out all the chunks, like in regular clay, it starts to get better. But right now, the clay slime is not really turning good. Well, it's turning a little green. I like the little crack sounds. That's why I wasn't talking. When you mix it up. Oh. This one is like, I wouldn't say a pretty green. It kind of smells weird. There we go. Starts into like, get the green color in it. Sorry it took so long to mix this up. Well, now here's another slime. I think I want to call it green apple. Or maybe pickle. It kind of looks, no. I think it'd be more of a green apple kinda, because it's like really dark green. And it's like really buttery. See, this one is kind of glossy. And stretchy. This one is stretchy, but like it breaks because the clay's so thick. So I'm gonna show you guys a few more mixing the clays. Okay. So I want to add some blue. It comes with red, white, yellow, green, and blue. I'm gonna make some blue. And maybe some yellow. I'll make some yellow later. Okay, so just roll it around there. Okay, This one is like a real butter slime. And these, I think this is gonna come out like maybe a light color blue. That's kind of what I'm hoping here. So I might make most of my videos here. So my new room, I have a desk right here with a chair. I have a little dresser over there, if you can see it, kind of like right over there. And I have my bed over here. I have a bookshelf and a little step thingy. And I have a stool. But my room is decorated blue, so like, cause blue is my favorite color. Everything is in my room basically blue. I don't think you can see it up there, but I have a blue collage. And this chair is zebra shaped and this desk is blue. This is like very, like it won't swoop down and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna try to go fast with it. Starting to turn blue. And the clay kind of dyes your hand, but when you mix it in with the slime, it comes off. So that's not a bad thing about it. So this video is just of me viewing my slimes and showing you guys the clay that I made the butter slimes with, and showing you how I made them. So yeah, title. I don't know if I like this color, but it's like, on camera it looks really pretty, but it's kind of like a green. Like a green color. Okay. And I might mix these at the end. This one has way more clay than this one. This one feels like Play-Doh. This one feels like butter slime. Okay. Now onto the yellow. I don't want those two to mix. So yellow is the color I have most of, because I didn't really want to make a lot of yellow butterflies. Okay. I think this is just gonna turn an orange color. Yeah, we just got to school, that's why I have on school shirt, purple, and school shirts. Okay. But if I mix it, I have a feeling it's gonna turn just all green. So I might mix a little pieces of it. The yellow is like the hardest clay, that's why I really didn't want to use it a lot. But pretty much it. I guess it's orange. Whoa. Comment down below what school you go to, so I can find my school twin. On camera this looks like it's yellow, but you can see, like, I don't know if you can see this, but see those yellow streaks in it? They're like really, like, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so I guess this is good, and this is good. This is, okay, that's pretty good. This is, I don't know. So I'm just gonna mix little pieces of all of them, which probably is gonna turn brown or green, I have a feeling, but just want to see. Okay, looks kind of like a sandwich. Whoa. Okay, I guess this is really pretty. Back. Come on, camera focus. Okay. Yep, it's turning green. Which I have no problem with green, but I just wish it would turn like, I don't know.